Hi guys, this is Dior and today I'm gonna teach you how to terminate RJ45. All you need are the following materials. First, wire stripper. Second, a crimper. Third, RJ45. And lastly, Cat6 wire. First, we need to strip the PVC jacket of the wire. Be careful not to bleed the wires because it will not work. Second, we need to cut the spline or the wire separator and the RIP cord. After that, you need to arrange the wire in the following colors. White orange and then orange, white green and then blue, white blue and then green, white brown and then brown. Next, carefully insert the wires to the RJ45. Then, crimp the RJ45 to lock the wires. If you are finished, get both ends and test it to the land tester. And that's how you do it. Hope you learned something. Bye-bye.